never forgetting that you are God's best gift to me. Ever thanking Him for your love and friendship. We've been through a lot, and yet we're still full of love, full of support, and full of understanding for each other. And for that and all the other things, I will always remember and treasure the strength of this union. I'll hold on to this very same strength that will forever keep us going through all the highs and lows. I promise to give you the best of me and not ask of you
Siguro
what you
kung
cannot
niya,
give.
magmumura ka muna kayo dyan.
Instead, I'll recognize and respect you in your own views, traditions, outlook, and opinion.
Oo.
To understand that we may differ, but yours will never be less important than my own. I will always remember that these are the qualities that I fell in love with and will not change you to suit my dreams. In times of conflict, I promise to listen to you with an open mind and open heart. With careful words and untainted thoughts, to let my love for you take an upper hand and forgo my pride and ego. I promise to be with you through all your triumphs and much more during your defeats. To love and cherish you when times are good and more so when times are bad. To ask not for material comforts, but bask instead in your love and presence. To ask not for anything more than what we have and what you can offer. I promise to keep myself open to you, to let you into my innermost thoughts and dreams, into my deepest fears and feelings. I will never shut you out and instead put you in the whole of my being, having my complete trust. Mel, I promise to go old with you and face the changes where we both shall change in order to grow better and wiser and be the best we could ever be for each other and our children. And before God, our families and friends, I vow to love and accept you, Mel,